What if I told you that just 7 simple daily habits could improve your health and your finances at the same time? No complicated routines, no expensive programs, just simple changes that actually work. Welcome to Embrace Health and Wealth Today, where we help you build a better life without breaking the bank. In this video, I am going to show you 7 powerful habits that can transform your energy, your focus, and your income, starting today. Habit 1. Wake up early. Waking up early gives you something most people do not have: uninterrupted time. While everyone else is asleep, you can plan your day, work on your goals, or invest in yourself. More time means more opportunity, and that is how you get ahead. Habit 2. Drink water instead of soda. Soda might taste good, but it costs you in 2 ways: money and energy. Switching to water saves you hundreds of dollars a year and keeps your energy steady instead of crashing. Better hydration equals better focus equals better results. Habit 3. Quick daily workout. You do not need hours in the gym. Just 10 minutes a day. Push-ups, squats, jumping jacks can boost your energy, improve your mood, and build discipline. And discipline is what carries over into every area of your life. Habit 4. Meal prep. Meal prep is one of the easiest ways to save money and eat healthier. Instead of spending on takeout, you cook once and eat 4 days. Less stress, better nutrition, and more money in your pocket. Habit 5. Limit screen time. The average person spends hours scrolling every day. Cut just 2 hours, and you gain 700 plus hours a year. That is time you can use to learn a skill, start a side hustle, or build something that pays you. Habit 6. Read daily. Reading just 10-15 minutes a day can completely change your mindset. You gain knowledge, ideas, and strategies that can help you grow financially and mentally. Leaders are readers, and readers get ahead. Habit 7. Track your money. If you do not track your money, you will always wonder where it went. Knowing exactly what you spend gives you control, and control is the first step to building wealth. These are simple, but they are powerful when you do them consistently. You do not need to be perfect. Just start with 1 or 2, but build from there, because small daily actions create big long-term results. If you want more simple ways to improve your health and your wealth, hit subscribe and start leveling up your life today.